I have some more irrigation repairs to take care of. And actually, I have to run a new line. This is my new line. I have to run a new line for my strawberry tree, which has really got a lot of new growth, doing pretty good. And I haven't tapped it in yet. So right here close to it, I have a repair I need to do. Looks like this line right here. Let's see. Let's turn the water on and we can have a look at it together. Okay, so the manual on. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got. It had a split, I think. Oh, yeah. Yep. Split in the line. So as soon as that shuts off, I can repair that. I think I'm just going to tap in right there to bring this line to this. And I like to put my lines right at the base. Let it drip the water right at the base of the plant. All right, I think it turned off. So first, I'll go ahead and tap this in. I use this tool to punch a small hole in the line. Right there will do. I try to do it on the side. See, that'll go in just like that. And plug it in. Okay, that should do just right. Now, let's go fix this one. Now, I still need to run one to this yellow guava, but I'll do that in a little bit. Okay, I need my tool. Pretty much most everything I do, I just use a little wire cutter. And that can do most of the work I need to do to these lines. Unplug it. I'll just leave that connected. Because the leak is here. This is splitting. Okay. I'll just plug that right back in. Sometimes it's best to remove the plug, but that should work. It's a little piece of plastic. All right, let's go turn it on again and see what we got. Click. And we've got water dripping into our strawberry tree. Nicely. And Let's see our repair. Not bad. I don't see any leak at all there. But I do see a leak at the one next to it. No, I don't. It's just pulled out of the plant. And as you can see, this year I'm doing a little more allowing the weeds to grow, and I just chop and drop them right into the container. But the plants really seem to be doing good when I let the weeds and little native flowers grow. Anyway, that's the repair I needed to do today. Goodbye.